Thank you for attending the Beauty and Beyond Summit. By participating, you have earned DHA-accredited 12 CME points to support your ongoing professional development. How to claim your CME certificate in very easy steps. Start by opening the DHA Sharian portal. Then sign into your account, type in the username and password. Click on your picture on the top left of your screen. Click on Dashboard. You will find CPD points. Click on the arrow underneath it. Click Update CPD points to continue the application and fill in the required information. Select Conference. In the activity name, type in Beauty and Beyond Summit. Then select the topic and the date completed. In the provider box, type in Wide Conferences and Exhibitions. Then select the country and city. Finally, type in 12 credits in the CPD points box and upload your e-certificate, and then press Confirm to submit your application. Thank you for participating in Beauty and Beyond. See you next year.